Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with prerequisites and immediate actions. First, verify the jukebox has power at the outlet and the unit's main switch is on. This rules out simple failures. Once done, inspect visible fuses and the power cord for burns or loose pins. Replace a blown fuse with the exact rating. Also verify the audio source or network feed is connected. A disconnected cable often mimics deeper faults, so make sure connections are snug before you open the cabinet. Once the outside checks are complete, power down and unplug the jukebox, safety first. You'll open the cabinet and look for loose wires, cold solder joints, or corroded connectors. These are common culprits. Next, test the amplifier rails and fuse continuity with a multimeter, and measure speaker impedance to confirm load is correct. Mismatched impedance can mute sound. If you find a bad connector or failed component, replace it. Then reseat cables and double-check grounds before reapplying power. After repairs, reassemble the cabinet carefully and power the jukebox back on. Run a test playlist to verify playback and control responsiveness. Make sure to update firmware or perform a software reset if controls are erratic, because software glitches often mimic hardware failures. If the problem persists, systematically swap suspected modules, amp, selector board, or power supply to isolate the fault. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, monitor temperature and vibration. Loose solder or thermal faults can appear only after 5 to 15 minutes of operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.